In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Base44 app on the Google Play Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Base44, what to click, and what to prepare so you can generate the files you need for Google Play. First, open your browser and head to app.base4.com. Once you're on the Base4 dashboard, make sure you're in the workspace that contains the app you want to publish. If you're already signed in, you should see your projects right away. Next, click on Apps in the main navigation. This takes you to a list of all the apps tied to your workspace. You can use filters like My Apps to quickly narrow things down if you have a lot of projects. Find the app you want to ship and click it to open the editor and preview area. This is your central hub for configuration, testing, and publishing. Take a quick moment to confirm your app looks and behaves the way you expect in preview, because the publish flow will package what you've built. Now, look for the publish option, typically near the top of the interface. Click Publish. This is where Base44 gathers your app's assets and prepares build-ready outputs. If you've made recent changes, it's a good idea to save them before you start the publish process so everything is up to date. When the publish options appear, choose Mobile App. This tells Base44 you're getting a native build rather than a web or desktop export. Selecting Mobile App will open a guided flow tailored to Android and iOS packaging. From here, choose the option to prepare for App Store and Google Play submission. This step is where you line up everything needed for a clean store submission. Have your app's name, short and full descriptions, category, and a privacy policy URL ready. Prepare graphics like a high-resolution icon, a feature graphic, and device screenshots in the correct dimensions. For Android, make sure your package identifier is final and consistent, since changing it later creates a new listing. It also helps to have your version name and version code organized, so updates are seamless. One important note, generating App Store or Google Play files in Base44 is available on the Builder plan and above. If you're on a lower tier, you'll see a prompt to upgrade your plan before you can create the Android build. Once you're on an eligible plan, return to the mobile app publish flow and generate the Android app bundle file you'll use in the Google Play console. After it's ready, download it from Base44 and proceed to your Play console to complete your listing, upload the bundle, and roll out to your chosen track. That's the full path inside Base44 to get your app ready for Google Play. Follow these steps, prep your assets carefully, and you'll be set for a smooth submission.